Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Keisha Sanita and
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
I'm gonna be doing my makeup. So kind of like a no makeup look, a light beat. I'm not really a big makeup person, but we're gonna attempt this. First, I'm gonna use this Aveeno right here to moisturize my face. I feel like my face has been breaking out since late. I already have like one of the worst skin ever. I have problem skin, but something has been breaking out my skin since lately. So I use the moisturizer pretty much every day, and I use the brightening scrub to cleanse my face as well. And I also use the acne foaming wash as well. All right, so next up, I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Boost. So it's a gel primer. What the Hydro Boost does is it literally gives your face that glow, that dewy look, I should say. I like to pat this in. I just think it sticks better. So next I'm gonna use this NYX pore filler because I struggle with pores in my T-zone. And I'm gonna use that to go in with the pore filler. See that? So I'm gonna use this NYX brow gel to tame these brows. I'm kind of doing like a boy brow look to make sure they are nice and sleek. So for the past few weeks, I've been just so lazy to make content, and I'm just in between trying to figure out what type of content I want to make. I don't know if I'm ready to niche down just yet, but life update, I've just been out of it lately, feeling just overwhelmed. So who went to see the Barbie movie? Because what's all the hype about the Barbie movie? So I'm just gonna go in under my eyebrow, this concealer. Remember, like I said, I am no pro now. Next, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. So it's an e.l.f. corrector, and I'm just gonna go in and look at my mouth. Am I the only one to do my mouth like that? So I'm just gonna go in. Look at my mouth. I'm gonna go in a little bit with this e.l.f. corrector. That way I can just hide some of these blemishes, because remember, now we're doing like minimal foundation. Or I feel like lately I so into this look because it's freaking hot outside. Who wants to have like a heavy beat? Not me. So what did y'all do this weekend? So this weekend I went to a local fair in my area. It was fun. I didn't go on the ride because that is so damn scary. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer, and this is Sephora Best Skin Ever. Some days I'll just do blush, my eyebrows, and that's basically it. Normally when they're doing this, like look up like that. So I'm gonna go in with this Lancome. And I'm just using half a pump, literally. This is more like light beat. really light. Nothing to cake my face. If you are not too much into makeup, this is definitely a good fit for you. If you're a person who is not into a lot of makeup. And this is like awesome for the daytime. If you're going to like beach parties. And guys, remember the neck. Next, I'm gonna go in with this milk blush. I'm just gonna do a couple swashes, and I'm gonna go in with this one right here, F94, and this is from Milk, and the Milk one is in the color Livres Juves. I don't know. That's definitely not English language. This one is in the color If You Dare. So I'm just gonna go in with like a swash right there. So we're gonna do 2 swashes of that. And then 1 of that. I'm so into all this blush these days. I just think it's a vibe. So those are cream blushes, and I'm gonna use this MAC powder blush to go in as well, kind of like go over the cream, because I just like this darker color. This MAC, it is in the shade, now the shade is gone, but if you look close, you can maybe tell. It's kind of like a mauve look. I love a lot of blush. So I'm gonna go in over those 2 cream blushes, like so. Yeah, that's coming together. I literally cannot use, ooh, look at that. I literally cannot use the bathroom and not use wipes. Like, how are we even still to this day using only toilet paper? So I'm gonna go in with this MAC bronzer. I have this for a long time now, and with this I literally cannot see the name. That's how long I have this damn MAC thing, but it's kind of like a golden. So I'm gonna go over that with just a little bit under my eye right there. So these things like on my face, like wart, I don't even know how did they came about. Like suddenly I just started seeing them as I get older. And I like to use just a little bit of this and kind of go over the concealer to kind of like highlight it like that. So normally I used to contour and I used to like bring it all the way down here, but I don't do that anymore. I feel like it looks way much better, kind of like just going in on the cheek like that, and I just think that's more than enough. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more blush, because blush can't be too much, you know what I'm saying. More is more. Woo! So next I'm gonna go in with this telescopic L'Oreal mascara, and this is literally my favorite. It doesn't matter what, this is better than sex. So next I'm gonna moisturize my lip with this Aquaphor. This is really good. Like, this is a boss thing. Then I'm gonna go in just this Burt's tinted lip balm, and they have these in like so many different colors. They are so bomb, so pretty. So, and you can do this as thick as pigmented as you want it. So you can go over it a couple times, or you can do it light. That's what that looks like. So thank you guys for sticking this video out with me. Let me know, how did I do? Until next time, I'm your girl Keisha Sanita. Bye.